So look guys, we've got a house for sale here. It's a 3-story house. So if you look up, look. So there's a number there, contact number. We're just walking down here, going into town because allegedly Plaza's open and there's like some kind of ceremony in the mouth.
Yeah, it's blessings.
Blessings.
Plaza Resort.
Oh, there you go then. So we're gonna have a look at Plaza for you guys. We've left the kids for a bit. We're not going to have to be very long. We're going to have to get back. It's the same as with when I do a live stream. I can't have Mel sitting with me. She's tried, but the kids come upstairs and they won't stop being naughty. So yeah, we can't do it. I can't see. So you're going to probably hear this. It's not very windy today, so that it shouldn't be too bad. Oh, it is a bit windy, he says. I've got...
And before that, we apologize to Malcolm and Ate Linda.
Yeah, Malcolm.
About the tartar sauce.
The tartar sauce, yeah, they brought us some, and
well, yeah.
And I thought it was...
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, we're very sorry. And thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very, very much.
Yeah. So anyway, I've got a little bit of a sound problem with my external mic again. I don't know if I can fix it this time. So I haven't got my external mic on, so...
You need to speak loud.
Yeah, I keep saying to Mel, when you speak loud so they can hear you, because you'll hear on this video, these GoPros have got 3 microphones on them. They're not very good, and they're supposed to be better, because if the sound's bad on one, it's supposed to change over to the next one and then the next one till the sound the GoPro thinks is good. Oh, there is a wind. It's because we're all sheltered, isn't it? So we're going into town to see what the big hoo-ha is, and let you have a...
as well.
Yeah.
What's the difference of Plaza now?
Yeah, now that Plaza's open. Allegedly. I mean, we'll probably get there. It is now, is it?
Oh, how much?
No, I'm not betting you because you don't pay. Wait.
Okay, I pay.
No, you always change the rules. You do. You cheat. She's a cheat, guys. Really big cheat. You are? Chicken what? So what do we need? We need some coffee, mate, because we're running out of coffee, mate.
Lemon.
We want some lemon because I want my lemon drinks. I can't just drink water all day. Well, I can, but I'd rather have the lemon a bit as well. So there's not many police and army about today. You normally see police and army or both. And
But very strict now than before.
well, yeah, and there's quite a few people not wearing masks now unless they come into Centro. If they're not wearing the mask when they come into Centro, they'll be in a bit of trouble. How much are the oranges, Mom? Can you see? She didn't even look, though. It's terrible. Huh? Yeah, it's open. Plaza's open.
There's a picture of the lake.
What's the picture of? I don't want to get run over yet, babe. I'm still too young to die. That's a picture of a building, Mel. We'll have a look what that is. Oh, that looks great. It's great now, look. Here we go. Oh, it's looking nice. So what's this building then? Naga City. Oh, there's blinking music. Now they said they were having a little bit of a celebration today, but there'll be no majorettes or anything like that because they don't want too many people. Look at this one looking at me, look. Next minute the handle they are. So let's have a look. I bet we're not even allowed in here, Mel. City Health Office is situated at the Santa Cruz new development site. All right. There you go.
Ayan, super kawaii sila, syempre, no? Naging mga official judges sila for today.
I'm going to...
Shout out sa ating
Oh
mga
my
madlang
God.
people na mga virtual DJ.
Gusto ko yan. Shout out.
Shout out. Roronda na ang mga lovable talent
I'm
para
going to-
magpakitang gilas suot ang kanilang barangay costume. Ito ang
I'm gonna have to probably edit all this out.
kilalanin natin ang dalawang maglalaban. Unang bibida ang pambato ng barangay Ugong. Let's watch this.
We've got the red carpet, but it looks like it's seen better days, guys.
Ako lang to, si Pedro Maloso, a super fiesta ng Macho Guapito, tanod ng Barangay Ugong, Valenzuela City.
It's looking very nice.
Taon na akong tanod dito
There's
sa
the
aming
step
barangay.
there, right? They have step, right?
You what, babe?
Step.
What?
There.
Oh yeah, there used to be steps. It's gone, it's low.
And they put the, not the slide.
O
Yeah.
diba? Kahit pamilya
Change the tiles.
Masasabing frontliners din kami
These-
mga tanod.
what?
At syempre, gusto ko naman protektahan, di lang ang aking
Yeah,
kalusugan.
these tiles. Oh, that's really put me off. I can't concentrate. These tiles were slippy as anything, and they put different tiles down, non-slip.
Abangan at roronda na ang aking kagapuan.
So it's totally different now. Totally different. And I've never seen that coconut tree before, Mal. Look how many times I've been in Central. This is great, this though. This is where they do the blind people come and they do the massages.
Selling.
Wow.
They move there.
Yeah. It's really nice. This non-stick floor, look. Non-stick. Oh, for God's sake, Chris. Non-slip floor. It's non-slip. When it gets wet, you're not going to slip on it. So that's really good, guys. Now when things, if ever, let's get into the shade and have a sit down. If things ever get back to normal, we'll be able to come and people watch, won't we, babe?
Light as well. The light.
Well, yeah, lights light the trees up, yeah. It'll be nice at night. This is really nice. So this is like the grand opening of the new plaza, isn't
It's
it?
72
It's Naga City what?
Childcare anniversary.
Ah,
72.
it's Naga's anniversary. So the few people you're seeing coming through now, if it was fully open and, you know, we weren't wearing these masks and different stuff, there'd be loads of people in here everywhere. There used to be steps up here. It used to be quite high, and they've lowered it down, look. And they've put that block paving in, which looks really good. I didn't think, they're proper block paving bricks. I wonder where they got them from. I wonder if they had to import them bricks. I've never seen anything like that. It's really nice, really nice. But anyway guys, even if there was a load of nice girls coming through, you wouldn't know because they're all wearing masks.
So all the online sellers, they're gonna use this for online pickup. Gonna pick they're gonna pick.
How do you know that?
Some of the online sellers, they come here just to meet up for the customer.
Oh, alright. So that's it guys. I'm going to be going over for my quail's eggs because I feel really hungry. I wonder if I could come back a little bit later on. All this is lit up now, whether the camera will pick it up.
Evening?
Yeah. Wondering whether to just come for a walk and see if there's anything going on later. Because can you remember all the barbecue stalls, or they've gone now, aren't they? They're just round the outside. Let's just go and have a look guys. We'll show you what's the nut stalls have always been there. Probably a little bit further in, they've put like a little chain wall round, look. So they're cleaning up. I mean, obviously all this will be gone. It'll be as clean as anything soon. Because Naga's a very clean city, guys. Very clean, normally. So we've got a bit of barbecue selling here, but will these be staying here, Mal? Will these be staying here? Because these are special tents. That's what I'm saying. I don't think these will not be here when it's all finished. So let's have a look along here. It's the usual fruit stalls. They're always here, guys. Always. I don't know. No, these won't be here, I bet. I mean, what do you think, Mel? Do you think they'll not move these onto Plaza, will they?
No, I think this is the permanent.
So these will probably be here all the time, will they? I've not seen any 10 peso oranges, guys. And them oranges are very small anyway. The 10 pesos is for the lemons. And there's no, I've not seen any oranges where there's any prices on them. Oh look, these here, guys, they're like what we think of as a pear. I think they're about 25 pesos, they normally are anyway. They're very nice. There's not, I can't believe it, it's a weekday, it's getting on, it's dinner time-ish. There's not a massive amount of people.
It's holiday, just only here in Naga.
What kind of holiday is it?
Holiday, because it's a charter anniversary of Naga.
Oh, it's just the anniversary.
But it's just only in Naga City.
Right, okay.
No worry.
So, I'm really pleased it's opened up now, guys. It looks really nice now. And when all these vans are shifted and it's all tidied up.
Another garden.
Yeah, grass and some plants. Yeah, it's totally different, isn't it? It's brilliant.
Better as well, because you can walk, even if it's raining, you can walk there.
Yeah.
Slip.
Oh no, you'll not slip anymore. Especially on there where the monument is. If it was wet, you have to be very careful.
Yeah, because it's dance.
Yeah. So anyway, that's a nice dress, Mel. Very nice.
Really? You want?
No, I don't want to wear it. No. So that's it then, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys. See ya.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.